Many common DIY projects around the home, and in professional trades as well, require the use of safety glasses. Whether you're lying upside down in a crawl space to cut a water pipe with a grinder or simply using the chop saw out back to cut a few 2x4s, you'll be protected and feel secure knowing that you have the best safety glasses for the job. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best safety glasses in 2023. So let's get started. Number 1. 3M Virtua CCS Safety Glasses with Foam Gasket. If your eyes are precious to you, give them the protection they deserve with the 3M Virtua CCS Safety Glasses with Foam Gasket. These lightweight, comfortable safety glasses have a wraparound style to keep your eyes fully covered. The lenses are polycarbonate and block 99.9% of UVA, UVB, and UVC rays. Your eyes will thank you. The lenses are also treated with an anti-scratch coating to cut down on annoying damage, as well as anti-fog protection so you won't be bothered by frequent pauses to wipe your glasses. But that's not all we love about this protective eyewear. The glasses have a removable foam gasket that runs around the inside of the frame to provide a more effective seal against dust, small debris, and airborne fluids. Number 2. Ergodyne's Colors Dagger Polarized Safety Sunglasses. Not only do these safety glasses protect your eyes in several ways, they are also quite attractive. The Ergodyne's colors have polarized lenses, which means that they have a special coating that minimizes glare from the sun or overly bright lights, as well as reflected light from water or glass. That makes them ideal for working outdoors during the daytime, or indoors when you are in an area with very bright lighting. They also resist scratching and have UV protective coating that blocks 99.9% of the UV rays from the sun. These protective glasses meet ANSI Z87.1 Plus standards for safety and MIL-PRF 3242 ballistic impact, military, standards for impact resistance. That means the glasses are highly resistant to breaking or shattering, even if struck directly by debris or another object. Number 3. NoCry Overglasses Safety Glasses. If you wear prescription glasses and only occasionally need to don protective eyewear, you might prefer a pair of overglasses rather than buying prescription safety glasses. If so, these are a great choice and are very reasonably priced as well. The NoCry Overglasses safety glasses provide excellent protection against dust, flying debris, fluids, and chemicals that might be a danger to your eyes. With a resilient polycarbonate frame and clear wraparound lenses, you'll be protected from all angles without distorting your vision. The lenses resist scratching and block up to 100% of UV rays, and soft tips minimize pressure around your temples. Number 4. Carhartt Carbondale Safety Sunglasses. Carhartt has been a go-to for work apparel for over a century, so it's no surprise the brand makes the best outdoor protective eyewear that include a dash of style with their protective features. These ANSI and CSA-approved safety sunglasses have a flexible nylon frame and a soft rubber bridge, so they fit well, feel comfortable, and stay in place even if you get a bit sweaty. The gentle curve to the frame lets these glasses protect your eyes from the sides as well as from the front. The scratch-resistant polycarbonate lenses block 99% of UV and UVB rays from the sun, as well as UVC radiation from artificial lamps or lasers. Number 5. 3M Nuvo Reader Protective Eyewear. If your job or hobby requires both eye protection and the ability to read small print, you might have thought that the only solution was squinting or switching between safety glasses and readers. But with the 3M Nuvo Reader Protective Eyewear, you have both features in one handy pair of glasses. These safety readers are available in 3 magnifying strengths, +1.5, +2, and +2.5. The magnifying portion of the lenses is a bifocal insert at the bottom of the lenses. You don't need a prescription for these protective readers, but they'll help you read small text and see close-up objects in better detail while you're working. That was our list of the top 5 best safety glasses in 2023 just for you.